Here is how to add a request code form to Shopify with no application. So the first thing you want to do is to come here to your Shopify admin, okay, your Shopify admin dashboard, and you want to come to online store, and on that online store, you want to click on pages, okay. Then you want to add a page, okay. So go ahead, click on add page. So right here, the moment you have add page, you want to type request a quote, okay. So request a quote, all right. And right here in the template, okay, as you can see, the theme template, okay, or templates suffix, the drop down, click on the drop down and select contacts, okay. So you just select contacts just like this. And the next thing is we want to add some text, okay, to at the top of the page. So right here, you can just write anything. I can just say, please fill out the form below. So request a custom quote, okay. And I can, let me say include product name, quantity, and any details you need. Okay, so you can just write it like this. Okay, all right. So okay, let me put a comma there. All right. So now, the moment you do this, just go ahead, make it visible. Okay, you need to make it visible. So yep. So now request code, write this, change template to contact. Okay. It's always default. Contact is always default in your Shopify theme. So then you hit on save. Okay. So now, the moment you have it like this, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead to, you can add this, okay, you can instantly add this to your main menu, okay, so that whenever people are just scrolling, they can easily request a code, okay. So you can go to content, then go to menus, and my main menu, I can click on my main menu and I can easily just add a new menu, okay, and I can label it request a code, all right, and I can link it to pages and request a quote. So now, the moment anybody clicks on this request a quote, the big text is going to be at the top, and the contact form field is going to be under. So I'm going to go ahead and click on check mark, and I'm going to save. So if I should check out my store now, remember I'm not yet done. This is saved. So as I refresh my store now, okay, and I click on request a quote, you can see it's right there, okay, request a code, please fill out the form below to request a custom codes and everything. So now, you see, now they can go ahead and easily just request a quote, all right? And I can also link to this, okay, in my page, okay? So in case you want people to see the code form from a product page without you needing to add any code, okay, just go to products like this, okay? Just click on products. Then once you're right here, you can just click on open a product, okay? Then in the description, and in case you want to learn how to add size charts to your product page and all that, you can check the link, or you can check out my channel. I've got a whole lot of tutorials teaching you how to add size charts and all this thing. How you can add it in the general product page and also on each specific pages like this in your Shopify dashboard. So now I'm just going to go ahead and right in the description, okay, you can just highlight this text and say request a quote, all right? So as you can see, okay, then you can just link. I can just highlight it like this. I can, bold it. I can also underline, and I can link. And once I click here, I can go back to my online store, okay? Or you can just get the link down, then come to online store. Oh, sorry, I think I've saved this already. So come to online store. Okay, I come to online store, and I come to pages. So I just want to copy the link for the requested code. So I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna say copy link address, okay, just like this, all right? Or right here in this requested code, I already have the link copied, so I already have the link here. I can copy it, then come back here and I paste it, all right? So just like this, all right? And you can decide to open it in the same window or a new window. So let's just open it in a new window. And maybe this for SEO, but you can just leave that up. I can just say request a quote. So So and I insert the link. So now the moment anybody, I can even make it italic so that, yeah. So the moment anybody, click on this, all right, just a simple request a code right like this. It's all you need, okay? And you save it, and once anybody clicks on it, it's gonna take them to request codes, all right? So this is exactly how you can go ahead and add a request a code form to your Shopify without any app, all right? And maybe you want to use an application, you can use a drag and drop form builder, okay? Just go to your apps, then go to, I think I've saved that. All right, so I've saved this. So if I should view now, you see that I can easily just see. So I can just, once they click on request a code, it takes them here. So it's as simple as that. All right. And maybe you want to use an application, you can easily just search for an app called Form Builder. So okay, or you can say request a code form. So there are a lot of form build requests. So you see Codify. Okay, so you can also use this. So but you don't even need all this, because when you have a lot of applications on your Shopify page or your store, it's kind of slow down your store. So most of the time, I don't really like using apps. I just prefer to, use some custom liquid codes or just some normal methods just like this. So if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. And if maybe you have someone that might need this, please share with your friends and family, or anybody that you know, just share with them. They need something like this. And I wish you the best of luck, peace, and have a nice day ahead. Please make sure that you subscribe. And if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can, recommend it to several people out there. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.